thunderstorm warning for southeastern Monmouth County until 3:45 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Manalapan, or 16 miles south of New Brunswick, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Howell, Marlborough, Manalapan, Tinton Falls, Red Bank, Farmingdale, Elbrin, Yorktown, Collingwood Park, East Freehold, Adelphia, Freewood Acres, West Freehold, Lincroft, Allenwood, Morganville, Eatontown, and Freehold. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey,